guys, coming back at you with the AC on. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I didn't really have much to say because there was people around, but we were working on hanging these lights in the it's basically a car dealership collision center, so it's going to be like the office or whatever, or the main space where they conduct the businesses. So hanging lights in there, probably a one-person task, but easier with two people. So me and my boy Darren, we're new best friends, I guess. So we were hanging lights today, and we got like 5 done in like 8 hours. So they are pretty tedious. They're slow, but nonetheless, it makes the day go by fast. And so I think he's gonna try to come in tomorrow and work on some of them by himself. So say a prayer for Darren. But we should probably be back at it on Monday. I don't think he's gonna get all of them done tomorrow. So hopefully we can save some for Monday. We're hanging just the non-emergency ones, but there's like 4 emergency ones, and those are going to be like twice as hard. So if he's not starting those tomorrow, then I assume the first one's going to take like 2 hours to try to figure it out. Basically, what takes so long is the fact that you have to shove the wire in the box, get everything hung. So you shove the wire in the box, then you put the mud ring on upside down, and then you put the 832 screws through that and the bracket that hangs it, and then you let it hang, and then you get the measurement for the little, I forgot the word they called it. It's like not airport wire, but it's airline cable or something like that. So you have to let it hang on the airline cable, and then you have to measure it, or you have to get it hanging just right at 15 feet off of the ground. And then you take it down, and then you cut the wire, and then leave like an extra 8 inches so you can make it up in the box. And then from there, my arm's getting tired. Okay, so once you get the pre measurements done, then you can actually put it back together. So put the mud ring back on, because I think you take that off depending on the situation. Usually take that back off. So you put the mud ring back on, and then you start making it up, grounds, neutrals, hot, and then if there's a constant power passing through the emergencies, just tie that through, because you're not using it in the regular lights. So once you get all that wired together, then you put the little face plate back on, and then tighten the light fixture to the little thread coming out. They usually call them nipples. So there's a little nipple hanging out, and then you screw the light fixture on to the nipple, and then it hangs by the airline cable, and then just double check your measurement off the floor, 15 feet. That's what we were going with, but if you're doing something like this, then it's obviously going to be different depending on your job site. But hopefully that wasn't too confusing and helped you out a little bit, maybe not, but and then yeah, we were zip tying the wire to the airline cable, so it looks good. And I think that was it, but it's just a lot of steps, and if you forget the plate, then you have to unwire it. We forgot one of them or 2 of them, so definitely learn from your mistakes. Definitely pick up speed as you go. The first one's always kind of like a trial and error. You just kind of have to mess with it, get it just right. So just kind of going through the steps like I've been mentioning, that you definitely learn as you go, and try to remember the steps so you do it in the right order and make less mistakes and go faster. So that's what being an electrician's all about, baby. So hope you guys have a great weekend. Can't wait to start the weekend right now, 2 o'clock or 2:42. But it's been a great week despite everything. I mean, I wasn't mad that I lost my job or anything, or have no work at the moment, but it's really been great working at this new company so far, and I'm really happy that I didn't have to try to bend that 3-point saddle this morning. I was literally about to bend the first pipe, and then I got a phone call, and he's like, "Hey, everyone, let's go hang lights in let's go work in the showroom," or whatever it's called, the office where they're going to be doing all the meetings or whatever. Not meetings, but doing all their business or whatever. So thankful that I did not have to do the 3-point saddle, so we dodged the bullet. So maybe Monday or Tuesday or something, but it looks like they're going to be busy all summer, so if I don't have any work, then they should have me kept busy for the summer. I was going to get gas in the car, and I saw the company that I'm working at right now for the last 2 days. I saw them at another job site by the gas station, so it looks like they got a bunch of stuff, a lot of work going on. So either way, I should be working. If not, there's always another option of going to a different company, but it looks like I should be good for a while, you guys, so videos are going to be coming through, and like I said, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I sincerely mean that. Thanks for all the support. Last time I checked, I'm on away from 750 subscribers, so if you guys want to help me out and get that 750 on my way to 800, I'd greatly appreciate that, guys. Thanks so much for all the support, for the daily views, comments, everything, the thumbs up. Appreciate those people who actually give me the thumbs up, and that's all I'm going to say about that. Thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I sincerely mean that. See you later.